Hello my friends. So today I would like that we study also Microsoft Word by the part review. So previous day we have seen file, home, insert, design, layout, reference, mailing. So today we are going to see review. When we click review, what we want to see? Suppose that you are a writer of books. Suppose you are a student, you are a teacher, you are someone else. So you need to go in review to find many information about your documents. So as we see here, we have our documents regarding to the story of love. So this is the content we typed here. Okay. So then if you click home, the tab will look like this one. Okay, but if you click on review, what you find there? We click on review when you want spelling, to search which word is misspelled. Okay, when you want pronunciation. Okay, for example, if you click here spell, the system will look bad words. Let us check. Click here. Okay, as you see, they say spelling. Our content here, we have C. There is underlined word. Then you click here spell. Here, your computer will ask you which word you want here. Is it so? Is is? Is 60? Is a city? Is sir? Okay, then check which well spelled word want to replace this C. Maybe is so. Then click so. Then after change, you click here change. If you want to read this one, you click here to read. So. Okay, then change. Okay. After clicking change, you see that there is so instead of writing C. Then yes. Then after, this is the next historical. There is underlined with red. Maybe there is misspelled. Then here there is historical. Then we check if it is historically. If you need this one, you click change. If you don't need, you can click here ignore. If you click ignore, there is no change. Then after, you go on next word with underlined this one, afters. So computer will ask you, is it after? Okay, is this afters? If is after you need, you click this one. Then you click here change. Okay, you see that computer also goes on next miswritten word. So here there is no suggestion. It means is the name of someone, or it is reference of where you have come from this document. So there is no suggestion. Okay, this is importance of review tab. This is spelling, grammar. We have already used it. Then let us look what is treasure. Treasures. Treasures. We use the treasures when we want to pronounce. For example, you can select this one. Then after you click treasures. Okay, you will see that. Let us first of all close spelling. So then after here, you can click here. Then you understand how we pronounce or how to read this sentence.
I love you. I would like to tell them one day I will come to see you. Thank you so much.
Okay, you see that computer try to read the sentence you selected. If you select this content, then you reach here. Then after you click on treasurers. you select the content, reach here, then click here, Tejas. So computer will understand what you selected, then try to read in your behalf.
And with even more reads now conveniently available via e-readers and apps, there are infinite escape.
You see, this is importance of Tejas. Then after here, ABC is to count your selected word. Let's say select here, for example, if you select this one, then you click here word count. Computer will count. We have only one page. We have words. We have 21 words. We have 67 characters, no space. Okay. 86 characters with space. We have 2 paragraphs with 2 lines. Okay. That is importance of word count. Okay. Next, we can see what is translate. When you have a full internet, a computer can translate from one language to another one. You can select this one, then after you click on translate, then check whether you need to translate a whole document or selected text. If you click here, a computer will go on internet, then try to search translation according to the language you need. For example, here you can translate, okay, from where? From English to, it's a from. Click here. From which language? You click here. First of all, you change language from preferred language. Then you select here from English. Then you translate from English to a given language you need. Okay. You select what kind of language you need, then click translate. Then what you find here, comment. For example, you need to comment here. Is a comment here. You click here. Here you use a comment when you want to give someone comments about the book he wrote or she wrote. For example, you are an editor, someone wrote a book, then you need to give a comment about the mistakes she or he will correct. Okay, you click here comment, then after try to give a comment about this paragraph, then you can give her comment, change this paragraph a little bit with other ideas. For example, this is a comment we give this paragraph, so later we will see this comment and try to change this, and then you can continue downward. If you continue downward, here also you can give a comment, then you click here comment, new comment, then you write, for example, well done. Okay, well done, big up. So this key point is used to give a comment. The writer of this book, he will come and check which comment you give her or him. Then you can click here next. Okay, you click here next, After clicking on next, he goes on next comment. If she or he clicks on previous, he come up on previous comment. You see, if she clicks on delete, immediately the comment will be deleted. You see, there is no comment. Okay, if for example, let us come here, by deleting here, by clicking on delete, there is no comment will be appear again. You see, this is the importance of this comment, delete, previous and next. Okay, after clicking on track changes is when you have given a change, then already you modify your documents. Okay, if you click accept and click here accept, it means you accept the comments. Okay, by clicking accept, you accepted the comments you have been given. If you click reject, it means you rejected the comment you have been given. Okay, by clicking reject, you see that there is no comment because you have rejected all comments you are given before. Okay, then you click OK. Do you get me? So the same as here, there is no comment track. Okay, here there is no comment track. So then, for example, you need to see what is a compare. Okay, this one, compare. When do we use a compare? We use a compare when we want to check the comment and the book of previously. You have given a comment, but there is also the previous writing before the comment. So you click a comment to check. You compare two documents. Compare two version document, okay, and also the comment before you given, and also you combine the document before the comments. Okay, you compare two documents, then you choose what is the proper one. Next, let us see what is restriction. Restriction here. Okay, restriction is when you want to prevent someone reading your book or editing. You don't need that someone will edit your book, so you will use this restriction. Okay, let us see how it works. If you click restriction or restrict to someone reading, okay, here there is some comments. Restrict editing. Here limit formatting to a selection of style. It means you don't need that someone will give another style except your style. You need that style is Georgia. Okay, you can change also if you want. You can Control A, then select handwriting or style. You put, for example, in Time New Roman. Okay, then here limit formatting a selection of style. It means there is no one will change this. Okay, editing restriction, only this type of edition on document. Okay, here you will select this for everyone. If it is everyone, you select here. It means there is no one will change this document for editing. Okay, so we are on review, and I prepared this document, or I prepared this lesson when I'm using the Office of version 2016. Okay, sometimes you can see if your style are not look like this. Maybe don't be confused. That's why I used this new version. This is the version of Office I'm using now. And also you will see that there is another key points we can discuss on. We use linked note on OneNote when you can sign in Office 365, where you can find OneNote. Okay, you see there is OneNote where you can link your document with this. Okay, but if you don't have an account in OneNote, you can't progress this step. Okay, you can link by my note. If there is no note, it means you can click here, then click OK, then try to write your notes, my documents, my document. Okay, then click enter. So it means immediately will be linked. You see how it will look like. Then after you cancel or minimize. Okay, so then we have already linked this document with the OneNote. Okay, so thank you for watching. Next time we will look on this part of view. We will see what we find there in view, this tab of view, what we can find there. Okay, so remember to check if you have done a subscribe on my YouTube channel Ramsam. If yes, good. If no, try to do so that my videos will reach on you on the first before others. Goodbye, have wonderful time.